Crispy Duck! Pan Asia Bar and Restaurant. Yan! Si Ate! Si Ate Laila! Nag-British citizen na siya! At last! At last! Celebration niya today!
Double ito, bali double. Kasi,
double celebration.
nag 10 years married na kami nung April 18. So, na-timing.
Anniversary as well.
As well.
Nice.
Na-timing.
Tara na! Tignan natin kung anong makain natin dito.
We're thinking of taking the empty bottle home, recycling, yeah. I might ask you, have an empty blue bottle?
For what?
Kasi favorite ko kung na color blue. So,
Ayan.
nung nasa Pilipinas, ang dami kong blue bottles, iba-iba. Yeah. Tapos nung nasa US, naman ako din.
And then,
Nag-collect din ako ng blue bottles nung nasa US. Ako kaya lang, iniwanan.
Iniwanan mo naman.
I put this in our vlog,
Welcome to
yeah?
my channel.
That's good, Lydia. That's good, Lydia. You're very good.
Wow.
They have condo in Philippines.
Kasi Benjamin famous, aren't they? Yeah, it's good.
Famous in
Yeah, I know, isn't it? Yeah, that's the best way to do it, really, isn't it? You're very good at it.
Yeah.
I think they probably come in different times today.
No, they'll come out
I'm
now.
sure we'll just wait for that.
Congratulations, Kabayan.
Yeah. Yung salita niyo po, pang
Batangas.
Batangas, na Batangas.
Siya is Ilocano.
Okay.
Even-
Ano? Ere?
Even I go to other nation, other parts of the world, I'm still using my own phone. When I go to America, oh, you're still using what?
Yeah.
Ayan, that's better. It's better.
May
Sa
ano,
light, dapat
mirror.
yan.
That's the sauce for the squid. And that's the tempura mix.
Tempura mix.
That's the sauce.
Yeah. Tempura mix.
Sana may lazy Susan, no?
Yan. Ang aming starter. Yummy.
Okay.
So, yun na, may lamig mamaya.
Malaki pala yung ano. Tempura, ano.
Okay, enjoy that.
Chicken wing. Kain na.
Pwede lang kamayin.
Kamay na, nagugat ang mga kamay.
Ako kung kahapon pa.
That's tempura. And the crispy duck.
Ano ito? Pinakain din daw?
Yeah.
Ano ito? Paset?
Pansit. Pansit, dade. Tempura.
Beef chicken, beef soba. Okay, now Malaysian curry again.
That's my fish.
Bok choy.
It's a noodle.
Put it there so you can share.
Thank you. And the patty.
Ito, kaluluto lang ang paksol.
Nice?
Take this with that.
Tingnan mo ito.
Ano, beef?
Hindi bibi. Alam ko bibi.
Want to try this?
Ikaw mang bibi.
Kain na.
Yung duck ng lahat, yung mga
Yan, kain na.
Yung beef, parang beef. Parang beef.
That's my food. Sarap na da?
Parang fish. Nasang fish yung sibas.
Parang fish ang sibas.
one of the two dishes at home.
Sarap ng pancit.
It's right.
Pet child. Duck.
Fish nila fresh. Can tell. Saturn fiesta, no? I think the Filipinos love their food, no?
Mahilig kayo.
Try this one. Come on, try. I did this up.
Because we in Swansea, not in Denby, not in Cardiff.
I'm sure they have it in the back. Then also in Bari, they tidy all the places.
I haven't swam or deep in the water here. It's always cold.
This is a crispy
You
dip.
have your wetsuit.
Sarap.
Rather swam in the Cardiff International Pool.
Yeah.
Tropical weather all day. Even winter, still tropical weather inside. Have you been there? Yes. Forest rides. That's so good. I like it.
Banana bites with ice cream. Yan. Sarap. Yes.
Wala. Hindi pa siguro uso noon ng ano yung may handle.
May tatanan.
Card sa inyo, di ba?
Mainit nga.
Kumain natin turong.
They are forgetful this day. Today, they are so forgetful.
Yung sag na ano to, yung senyorita.
Oo. I will come
They are busy this one.
because in the food and beverage business, it's not an alternative business. Banana ito dati?
Yung, kaya natin. Pwede ba lang ganyan, lalagyan mo ng topping na.
The only place I know that comes all different sizes is Wagamama.
Kaya Wagamama untan.
Wagamama, they have to all different, comes all different times, isn't it? So they tell you that at the beginning.
Ito mainit
Not
na
all going to come
banana.
together. So I think you accept that.
Video is video.
Bye, bye.